Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we discuss about what is call by value and call by reference in C++. Before moving to the video, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and also save the playlist for your future reference. Without wasting your time, let's start the video. First of all, we discuss about call by value in C++. While calling a function, we pass values of variable to it. Such functions are known as call by values. In this method, the value of each variable in calling function is copied into corresponding dummy variables of the called function. It means that when we call a function, we pass a value of a variable to a function and the function is called call by value. In this method, the value of each variable in the function which we have called is copied to the corresponding dummy variable of the function. Let's do some example to master call by value in C++. Open Visual Studio Code. If you have not watched the video getting started C++, installing VS Code and G++, do watch the video because if you will not watch the video, you won't be able to run C++ program. Create a new file tut18.cpp. Type header file has include iostream using namespace std int main function and return 0. After that, we are going to create a function which is called int swap int a comma int b, and this function is used to swap two numbers. Now declare int s is equals to a and semicolon and a is equals to b is equals to s semicolon, and after that type cout after swap a is equals to a and b is equals to b, okay, and semicolon. Also type endl to break the line. Now come to the main function and type int x is equals to 10 comma and y is equals to 100 semicolon. After that type cout before swap x is equals to x and y is equals to y and endl and semicolon. After that, we are going to call swap function x comma y and semicolon, and after that run the program. Then you can see that before swap x is equals to 10, y is equals to 100, and after swap a is equals to 100 and b is equals to 10. We got an error, no return statement in the function returning non-void w return type. It means that if we are declaring function and function has no return value, then we have to use void instead of int. After that run the program. You can see that our error is solved. So this is the method of call by value in C++. If you want to get the value of x and y from user, then you can also do this int x comma y cout enter the value of x semicolon cin x semicolon, okay, control D to replicate the line and y and after that run the program. Then you can see that enter the value of x, the value x is 40 and the value of y is 80. Then you can see that before swap the value of x is 40 and y is 80, and after swap a is 80 and b is 40. So this is the method of swapping the value of variable using call by value function. Now we discuss about the call by reference in C++. While calling a function, instead of passing the value of variable, we pass address of variable to the function known as call by reference. In this method, the address of actual variable in the calling function are copied into the dummy variable of the called function. It means that while we call a function, instead of passing the value of variable, we pass the address of variable to the function, and it is known as call by reference. In this method, we pass the address of variable in the function and it is copied into the dummy variable of the called function. Let's do some example to master call by reference in C++. Create a new file reference.cpp and copy the header file and main function and paste it to the reference.cpp. After that, we create a function void swap int address of a comma int address of b and curly braces call by reference in C++. Now inside the curly braces int s is equals to address of a and address of a is equals to address of b and address of b is equals to s semicolon, and inside the main function int x is equals to 20, y is equals to 40 semicolon, cout before swap x is equals to x and y is equals to y and semicolon, and call the swap function swap x comma y and semicolon. After that cout after swap x is equals to x and y is equals to y and semicolon. Now run the program. Then you can see that before swap x is equals to 20 and y is equals to 40, and after swap x is equals to 40 and y is equals to 20. Now you think that what is the difference between call by value in C++ and call by reference in C++? The difference is if we type this line inside the main function, then you can see that we got an error. And also if we change the variable name and put it x and y and after run the program, then you can see that enter the value of x 10 and the value of y is 20, then before swap and after swap will not changed due to call by value and call by reference variable. It means that in call by value, the value which we are passing into the function is a temporary value which cannot be stored, and inside the reference variable we are passing the address of variable. It means that if we are passing the address of variable, it will store the value of variable. If you don't know about addressing of variables, then you can watch my reference variable in C++ and pointer in C++ video, so you can easily understand the addressing of variable. In this video we discussed about what is call by value in C++ and call by reference in C++. I will give the link of this source code in the description box so you can easily access these codes. If you have any doubt, do comment on this video. I will solve your doubt, and you can also join my Telegram coding discussion channel in which your doubt will solve by the member of the group. So you can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter. All the link is given in the description box. Still you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and also save the playlist for your future reference. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will see you next time.